Here in Texas, the trigger law for abortions is set to take effect later this month. And today, a Dallas City Council committee took action on how to handle investigations once that happens. Morgan Young joins us from the newsroom with what all that means. Morgan?
Well, Izzy, today the Dallas City Council's Quality of Life, Arts and Culture Committee voted unanimously to push the GRACE Act forward and present it to the full council. Now, this resolution would not make abortion legal in Dallas, but it would essentially block city resources from being used to collect evidence or build a case to prosecute a doctor for performing abortions. The resolution would make investigating and prosecuting abortion cases the, quote, lowest priority for law enforcement. It would also prevent the city from keeping any data about abortions or miscarriages or using any kind of technology or surveillance to track abortions. Members of the committee called today's decision clear, obvious, and good government. Meanwhile, pro-life group Texas Right to Life calls it heartbreaking.
Protecting reproductive rights is very important, and we've seen that the state's not going to do that. So we need to do what we can here at a local level.
This is a heartbreaking trend that we see cities like Dallas that instead of trying to help women in our communities right here in their difficult or unexpected pregnancies, instead they're trying to give abortionists a free pass.
So the committee will present the resolution to the full council on August 10th. Cities like Austin and Denton have already adopted resolutions like this one. But it is important to remember that Texas has its own abortion ban outside of the trigger law set to go into effect August 25th. That has civil penalties and is enforced by private citizens. So even if this act passes, it's likely many clinics will remain closed.